Day 18 Meditation for Abundance.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 18 of our meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation will focus on prosperity and abundance, creating some space and openness for you to receive all of the amazing gifts the universe has to offer and give you. So part of this is about clearing space. So we're going to start out with just a little fire breathing. And this is kind of a Kapalabhati breath, but basically it's creating heat and fire in your body. So you're going to take your arms, extend them at an angle over your head, and you're going to take your fingers, drop them in towards your palms so that the thumbs are kind of pointing in, and you're creating this beautiful aura over your head. We're going to fire up the breath, and it's kind of like a dog panting. So the dog kind of goes, but you don't want to stick out your tongue like my dog, Sebastian. You want to keep your tongue in your mouth. And when you breathe in, it's a very passive inhalation, but a very powerful, forceful exhalation that's going to come from the belly. So it's kind of going to go like this. All right? Both arms are going to extend up. The belly is going to drop in really quickly. And as the belly comes in, you're letting out the breath really sharp. So you're breathing in about halfway and begin pumping. So keep that going, keep the arms strong, keep the arms over your head, and you're just clearing space, kind of opening things up, purifying the mind, the body, and the heart so that you're open to abundance and prosperity. I'll take it a few more times with you. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Let's take about 10 more. Take a deep breath. Hold the breath in, spread the arms wide, spread the fingers wide, lift your chest up, and then exhale, relax. Let the palms come to your knees, close your eyes. I'm just gonna feel all of that power that you've created, that heat and warmth that's kind of stimulating and churning through your body. And as you sit here in a comfortable seat, of course, sitting on your blanket, your pillow, or your block, the spine is long. The crown of the head is lifting towards the ceiling. And just allow yourself to be open. Allow your heart to lift and expand. You've created space for you to receive the abundance. We sometimes close ourselves off because we're afraid to step into our power. We're afraid to be in a place of prosperity because there is a responsibility around that. But prosperity and abundance can come in many forms. Health, wealth, love, understanding. Whatever you need to receive in this place of abundance and prosperity, allow yourself to be open to that possibility. And now begin to breathe in and out of your nose and focus more than just being open to abundance. Allow yourself to feel that sense of abundance. Feeling comfortable in knowing that you have all that you need, all that you deserve, all that you've worked hard for. each breath, each moment, you step into a place of abundance. As you walk through your daily life, prosperity pours from you. You feel confident in knowing that you have all that you need. There's no lack of not knowing, not having. Each and every day, the universe continues to pour its gifts into your heart, into your body, into your mind. And you are filled to the top. You are a walking example of positive wealth, positive health, prosperity. You are in a place of abundance. Now these next few breaths, just allow your thoughts to dance around in those places that you are certain feel that sense of abundance in your life. Maybe it's when you're with your friends, maybe it's when you're at work or with your children. Maybe it's when you're out in the world giving and sharing your gifts, your talents. Be knowing that you are wealthy and healthy in mind and heart and spirit. Stay with the breath, feeling that vibration and that energy of abundance. Keeping the shoulders relaxed and the crown of the head lifting towards the ceiling. Breathing in and breathing out. Slowly begin to breathe in fully through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Bring the palms together. Rub them gently, creating a little heat. And then place those palms over your eyes. Allow the warmth to slowly seep in. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, let the hands fall and the eyes slowly open. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for our meditation challenge. Allow yourself to feel the sense of abundance every single day. And I will see you on tomorrow.